So just to show you, it's tiny, guys. Like, this really doesn't show how small this thing is. Let me put the mouse next to that. That's better. You can see how small this thing is. It's crazy small. So very cool though. Anyway, I'm gonna take it out of the box and we're gonna put it on the PC. So here we go. Okay, so this video is kind of, well, you're on that tripod. I do have the ring light on, but I kind of just want to get this over with. This is going to be a pretty quick video. Basically, I picked up today, $84, the Samsung V-NAND SSD M.2 storage, 250 gigs, as you can see. Now, what is V-NAND? What is M.2? Basically, you remember back in the day when everybody had hard drives, right? And then we switched to solid state drives or SSDs. Well, this is the next version, I guess. It's still an SSD, technically. It's called M.2. The whole storage is on a RAM looking board. It's not RAM though, it's more storage. So this is gonna add 250 gigs to the gaming PC, and I will show you where it's gonna go. So let's just do that real quick. So, okay, maybe you can't. Let me see if you can see. Let me flip the screen. I don't know if you can really see where it's gonna go. I may have to take the glass off. Yeah, it's gonna go below. You see where it says gigabyte? It's gonna go right above that. There's a little slot there. Let me just slowly zoom in. But it goes right there on that slot, I'm pretty sure. So now, camera's acting up. It's like, oh, too far, too far. So anyway, all right. So I'm gonna take this front panel off. First, I'm gonna shut down the computer, then take this front panel off and go from there, and I'll show you guys. Okay, so the camera's mounted. We've got the ring light facing the PC itself, and here we go. Take off this glass panel. Okay, glass panel's off, and this thing's a little dusty. Not too bad. I do try to keep it dusted as much as I can when I think about it anyway. And so the card, which is again very small, very small. There you go. I believe it goes just like that. I do need, because it's gonna sit like that, so that means this needs to come off. I need a screwdriver. Okay. Okay. That comes off just like that. And then the storage goes in like that. Make sure all the pins connect. And there you go. That's 250 gigs added. Well, it's supposed to be anyway. That's a tight fit, but there it is. All right. Oh, this makes me nervous. It's just a little bit, because that's what I was afraid was gonna happen. Where did it fall? Oh, thank goodness it didn't fall into the... I'm so glad it didn't fall into the fan, into the power supply. That would have been horrible. That would have been horrible. There we go. that just screws in like that. And there you go. So now I'm gonna put the panel back on and we're gonna boot it up. So stay tuned. All right, as you can see, it is installed. Very nice, very simple installation, honestly. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it with the cover off to it, just because it's not a big deal if it's off. It's already open case. So let's just turn it on. And pardon my messy desk. Uh-oh. Oh. Okay. I forget. It does it does that when you install new hardware. It'll turn on, turn off, and then turn on again. I don't know why it does that. I don't know if it's like initializing or what, but it definitely detects new hardware. So got the, and pardon my messy desk. I'm in the middle of a project here, but I need a dust. But anyway, looks like it's detected something, so that's good. We'll see what happens. All right, I'm gonna log in real quick. So I'm gonna move the camera over there so you guys don't see my password. All right, I am in. So I'm gonna check PC. It doesn't show it yet, so I don't know. Why is it not showing it? I may have to do something. Maybe because it's new hardware, I don't know. I'll figure it out. Anyway, I will be right back. Alright, thanks to a little Google search, I have to go into the BIOS and enable M.2 storage, and that's why it wasn't showing up. So I need to go into delete. Hopefully I didn't wait too long. I think I did. Man. Come on. Put me in the BIOS. I think we're going into BIOS. Nope, we're going into Windows. Alright, I gotta reboot this again. Restart. Yes, restart anyway. Boy. Restart, my boy. Come on. It's not gonna take that long. It shouldn't take this long to restart. You're on an SSD. Not the one I just put in, a different one. Alright, so. Alright, when this comes back up, I need to go into BIOS, hit delete, and enable M.2. Alright, I've never been in the BIOS, well, except when I first built the system. So, advanced memory, possibly. I don't know, it might be in system though. BIOS. Okay. But where? Why is fast boot disabled? Ultra fast, my boy. Alright. SATA support. All SATA drives. I'm gonna leave that the same. Okay, so it sees it, so. Okay, go back. I don't have it. NVMe is the other configuration. I don't have that one. Let's check this one. The heck is it? No. I just need you to recognize that that's a thing I can use. Let me go to advanced memory. This is probably, is this RAM? Yeah, this is RAM 2400.
One eternity later.
Miscellaneous settings. Nope, nothing there. PC health. This video is longer than I thought it was going to be because it's not finding it. System. Windows Boot Manager. Boot option priorities. Okay, that's fine. What's this? That's again fine. That's fine. EGA support, that's fine. Okay. Okay, we will see what happens. I have it on supposedly fast boot, but doesn't seem to be any faster so far. Well, I guess we'll find out. Please be supported. I know you are. It sees it, so I mean, it's definitely. We're gonna figure this out. It definitely sees it, so that's not a problem at all. All right, entering in my password again. All right, we're booted back up. And it still doesn't see. I don't understand. This is so stupid. Why? Why? It's probably Windows. I'm sure it has something to do with Windows. Has to. So dumb. All right, I gotta troubleshoot again. So I guess be right back.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I went into partition manager or disk management. I think I have to initialize the disk. My bad. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and new simple volume next. This is gonna be, that's fine. We're gonna call this one E. All right, rated E for everyone. Next, file system NTFS. That's fine. New volume label. This is gonna be called. Name it 250 gigabytes. Oops, I could just type. I'm typing with one hand there. M.2 SSD. All right, it's like being official with it. Finish. It's formatting, and voila, we have right there. All right, so that's all. It took me a second, but stupid me, it clicked finally. Finally clicked on what I had to do. So there you go. Try these steps if you have the same problem, and as you can see, it worked. So now I've got 250 gigs. Very nice. And you can see why I needed more storage, because I'm running out of space here on both of these. So, and Windows 10 created system reserved. I don't know what that does or what it's for, but there's 449 megabytes of it. So anyway, heck yeah. Very nice. That was probably a new problem, but whatever. I'm sure somebody's gonna ridicule me in the comments, and go ahead, and I'll just, handle you how I do. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.